Half a day, and welcome to the first episode of Ketungu. Let's learn Chamorro. I, Jennie Magofna, will be your instructor. This program, Ketungu, Let's Learn Chamorro, showcases two aspects of the Chamorro, the language and the culture. This episode, there will be two segments. First, you will learn about the Chamorro alphabet and the sounds of each letter. Second segment, you will learn to make two traditional dishes of the Chamorro culture, which is the chicken Kelaguen and red rice. So get ready and let's learn Chamorro, Ketungu. Before learning the Chamorro culture, it is very important that you learn the Chamorro alphabet because it is the foundation of the language. It teaches you to read and write. So let's start learning the Chamorro alphabets and make sure you take notes. Okay. First letter is glota. Then comes a, o, then be, te, and while I'm saying all the alphabets, make sure you say out the letters as well. Continuing on, de, e, fe, ge, he, e, ke. Do you need me to slow down? Okay. Le, me. Listen carefully because this is the tricky part. Ne, nye, nye. Did you get that? You want me to start again? Ne, nye, nye, o, pe, re, se, te, and last but not least, ze. So there it is. Those are the Chamorro alphabets.